Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Polkadot from Metamask to Robinhood in 2025. If you're holding Polkadot tokens in your Metamask wallet and want to move them to Robinhood for easier management or trading, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always remember to double-check for any platform changes. First things first, make sure you have a few essentials. A funded Metamask wallet with DOT tokens, a linked Robinhood account, and a basic understanding of crypto transfers to stay safe. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension or app and confirm that your DOT tokens are visible. If you're using Metamask for Polkadot, you might need to add it via a custom network or bridge. Double-check that your wallet is connected to the Polkadot network. In 2025, cross-chain tools have improved, so look for integrated bridges like Polkadot's own or third-party options. Step 2. Head to the Send or Transfer section in Metamask. Enter the address of a supported exchange or bridge that connects to Robinhood, like a popular crypto exchange that lists DOT. Be cautious. Copy the address accurately to avoid losses. Set your gas fees appropriately. With 2025's lower fees, this should be quick and cheap. Step 3. Once your tokens are on the exchange, initiate a withdrawal to your Robinhood account. Log into Robinhood, go to the deposit section, and select Polkadot as the asset. You'll need to provide your exchange wallet details and confirm the transfer. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours due to network confirmations. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep an eye on transaction fees to maximize your returns. Finally, once it's done, check your Robinhood balance to ensure everything's there. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Polkadot from Metamask to Robinhood. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support or double-check network compatibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.